The topic of this first unit is measures of central tendency. So what measures of central tendency are values that represent the center of a set of data. So there's a number of different ways we can look at measures of central tendency, and the most common are the mean, median, or mode. So the mean of a data set is the average of data values. So to find it, we add all the values together and then divide by the total number of values. So for example, if we had the numbers 4, 7, 9, 10, 11, 15, we would add them all up to get 56. And because there are 6 numbers, we divide 56 by 6, and we get that the mean for this value is 9.3. The median of a data set is the middle number. So in order to find the middle number, we have to arrange the numbers from smallest to greatest, and we just find the one that falls in the middle. So for example, if I have 2, 4, 6, 8, and 11, the middle number is 6. Sometimes there's an even number of values. So for example, below we have 1, 5, 9, 13, 16, and 22. And 9 and 13 are both kind of in the middle. If there are 2 middle numbers, we take the average of them. So we add them together and divide by 2. So in this case, we took 9 and 13, added them together to get 22, divided by 2. So the median is 11 in this case. Finally, the mode of a data set is a number that appears the most often. So a data set can have no mode, one mode, or more than one mode. So if there's like 7 2s and 1 of everything else, then 2 would be the mode. But if there were like 7 2s and 7 5s and 1 of everything else, then 2 and 5 would be the mode. If there's 2 of every single number, then we can say there's no mode because there are no numbers that stand out as existing more often than the others.